Hey, what is up there, you guys? It's your boy Ray254. If you guys new to the channel, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button and turn on your notification. Today I'm right here down JIMTHORPE, Pennsylvania, and we're about to check out this cool trail called TANKHOLLOW trail. I actually did this trail about probably like 6 months ago, and I'm just getting all my stuff ready, putting all my gear on. I just got a new GoPro setup now, so we're gonna get some different shots now for y'all guys. So we setting this drone up to the chest here, and I just got to mount all this stuff on here. And right now we right on the parking lot, and this is a state game land, so we gotta be careful with hunters and stuff like that. But we setting everything up here. Clip all this stuff on, making sure everything is good here, and get our jacket in our bag and get everything ready. We got everything on, got our jacket on and our book bag, got the GoPro right there on the chest to get some cool shots for y'all guys, and we just getting this thing started. So let's go and let's see what this TANKHOLLOW trail has to bring again, because I forgot what this place actually looked like. It's been a few months since we've been here, so it might have been a lot that changed here, but let's go check it out, and I hope y'all guys gonna enjoy this video. So let's go. So just walking up this path here, making my way to this overlook. Now it hit me. Now I remember what this place, what this overlook over here, this TANKHOLLOW used to look like. It's been about probably like 9 months. I said 6 months, but it's actually 9 months since I've been here before. And this place had an amazing overlook, and it definitely was worth going up here. It's a 3.5 mile trail, and it just gives you an amazing view once you get up there to the top and look out over everything and stuff like that. But it's a definitely cool spot to be at. It's actually a spot you can actually hunt here in the wintertime. So right now there's gonna be a lot of hunters and stuff. So if you hear any gunshots and stuff like that in the background, that's from the hunters and stuff around me. And you're supposed to be wearing orange, but I forgot to bring my orange hoodie, so I had to bring out the blue hoodie. And we just continuing on straight with this path, being very careful because there's a lot of ice all around here from the previous snow that was before down here, probably like the day before yesterday. But yesterday might have been raining or snowing or something, but it's like all this ice and stuff on the ground, and we're not trying to slip or anything and hurt ourselves out here and then can't continue on to go see that overlook. So we're just gonna keep walking up here just a little bit up ahead, then we're gonna do like a little bend to the left and continue on with another trail going straight up, and that's gonna take us up to that overlook. It's not gonna be a hard trail. It's only 3.5 miles, so we got this thing, and we should get up there in no time. So and just up here you can actually see somebody up here parked up. It's a truck. So there's hunters up here also, so we gotta be careful around this section up here. Try to walk down this thing very careful. There's actually some houses right on the side of me, just over there, tucked away, hidden all the way back over there in the woods. Look like somebody lives back over there, so that's probably like private property. But we just walking down this hill. It's kind of speeding up, so I'm kind of losing my breath going downhill. This thing is very steep going down. I know we got to go up through this way, so you're definitely gonna have a little workout coming back. Going over there is very easy, but coming back, it's gonna go up this little uphill, so it's definitely gonna wear us out a little bit. And we just continuing on. There's a whole bunch of like little trails and stuff that leads all around to the side and stuff like that. But them trails are for like the hunters, to keep them out of the main path here, to keep them more into the woods instead of being close out here where everybody walks through and drive through. But let's continue on going straight. We're not too far to where we got to turn at. And just coming up here just ahead. So guys, I had to turn back because I almost passed my turn. Lucky I didn't walk too far out. I caught myself before I passed it, but just up here, there's like this little yellow sign on the tree that's gonna lead to like another little trail on the side, and that's gonna take you to the overlook. But let me show you guys what that little yellow sign looks like, so y'all guys can be aware of it if y'all ever come out here. So right here, this is the yellow sign I was talking about. It says no bikes or no horses throughout this trail here. And this is right here is the trail that's gonna leave us to Tank Hollow. So you gotta be aware, you gotta pay attention when you get there, because that sign's a little bit pushed in from the main path up there. So it's a little bit hard to see that, but once you walk and pay attention out here and just be aware of the little hunting trails and stuff like that, you can actually see which one is the hunting ones, because they got like red dots and blue dots and stuff marked on the trees. But that one right there is the only one that got like a little yellow sign that directs you to like another trail that says no horses or no bikes. And that's the trail you want to be on to get to this overlook up here. And we're just walking into the woods a little bit more. The trail's getting a little bit skinnier up here. As you can see, it's starting to get a little bit more narrow up here. It means a lot of people really don't come up here to this overlook here. When you see it like a trail that's more wider, that means a lot of people actually walk on the trails. And for them stepping onto the like grass and stuff actually flattens it out and makes the trail wider. And then the plants and stuff stop growing on the trail. But we just continuing on straight through here, following this little path, and we're getting closer and closer to this overlook up here. We should be up there and probably like in no time. So let's continue on just a little bit more, and the overlook should be coming up shortly. So guys, before I show y'all this overlook, I didn't catch my breath, but this thing is amazing. I came all the way up here to show y'all guys this view one more time for my new subscribers that haven't seen this view yet. Here goes this amazing view of the Tank Hollow overlook. So guys, that's pretty much it. That was amazing view right there. This is Tank Hollow, and this is amazing view right here. And it's definitely not really that hard to get up here, but you got to pay attention just to get onto this trail to get to this overlook. A lot of people miss out on this view because they walk straight by the path. But I'm gonna wrap it up here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I had an amazing time. I hope you guys had an amazing time also. So don't forget to turn on your notification, hit that subscribe button if you haven't, and check out the website to get your drip, get your rate to our full adventure gear, and come join the family. So this is the end of here. And I'll see you guys on my next adventures. Peace.